Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. हमारा आज का मौजू है कि इंग्लिश में सवाल कैसे पूछें। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का लेसन। हमारा पहला सेंटेंस बहुत ही बेसिक है। वो कहाँ है? Where is he? Where is he? क्या मैं जाऊं? May I go? May I go? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? तुम क्यों झूठ बोलते हो? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? तुम बाहर नहीं गए? Didn't you go out? Didn't you go out? तुम्हें किस चीज की जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? क्या तुम्हें किसी चीज की जरूरत है? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या मैं ये खा सकता हूँ? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ? Can I help you? Can I help you? क्या आपको किसी मदद की ज़रूरत है? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? आपकी सालगिरह कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? क्या वो घर पर है? Is she at home? Is she at home? क्या ये बात सच है? Is that true? Is that true? क्या वो अभी तक यहाँ है? Is she still here? Is she still here? क्या वो तुम्हारी बहन है? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? क्या तुम इस वक्त मसरूफ हो? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? मेरी किताब कहाँ है? Where is my book? Where is my book? वो लड़का कौन है? Who is that boy? Who is that boy? क्या मैं आराम कर सकती हूँ? May I take a rest? May I take a rest? क्या मैं इसे यहाँ रख सकती हूँ? May I put it here? May I put it here? क्या तुम खौफजदा हो? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? क्या तुम उसे जानती हो? Do you know her? Do you know her? क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? तुम क्या कह रहे थे? What were you saying? What were you saying? तुम क्या खा रहे थे? What were you eating? What were you eating? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more lessons, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily get the notification when I will upload my new video. Allah Hafiz.